Welcome to the Vector Garden. You might have seen in my videos that I have quite an extensive tool panel. And in this video, I'm going to show you just another one of those tools that have been introduced here by plugins. This plugin is the Nudge panel by Rick Johnson that you can get on his website at rjgraphics.com. I'm going to put the link into the description. So let's first apply something to it. And here I'm going to apply a dashed line. And with this, I'm going to apply just a simple dot pattern. Now you might know that you can move patterns around in the shape by pressing the tilde key or some other key, but that doesn't work in every language. So in order to move that around, you might want to have a simple intuitive method, and the plugin gives you that. Also, those dashed lines, they always start with a dash. They do not start with a gap, and sometimes you might want that. So you can use this tool to move these around. If you want to also scale them, you can do so via double-clicking the scale tool and then uncheck transform object, only transform the pattern, and I'm going to just apply that in order to show you something. Here we've got that, and in order to move it around, take that nudge tool and then you can just click and drag and move it around until you like that. With the dashes, you can't just move them. For that, we need a panel, which is the nudge panel. And here you can also move the art, the patterns, or the dashes. So let's just move them. And you see, they just do that. You can always untransform that and set that back to the default. And you can also, if you want to apply the same transformation to another object, you can get that and then apply that. And you can also show it. So let's take a look at this one, because as you've seen, I've scaled it. So let's show the transformation matrix, and you see this is shown here as well. And by using these commands, you can also apply that to another object with a different pattern. So that's how you can use this simple tool.